Good lunch, and trust no one had any problems with the court's instructions about not discussing the case or investigating the case. If everybody's ready, who would state call us as next witness?
State call us
Tony McCormick?
Yes, sir.
All right.
I do.
Have a seat there in the witness chair, and you begin when you're ready.
Thank you, Your Honor. Tony, tell me who you are.
Investigator Tony McCormick, the Smith County, Virginia Sheriff's Office.
How many years of experience do you have? Well, how long have you been with Smith County?
I've been with Smith County since 2006, 19 years.
19 years. Do you have any prior law enforcement experience?
I do. I've got 5 years previous in the little small town of Saltville Police Department in our county.
Saltville, Virginia?
Yes, sir.
How many years you been an investigator?
Since 2012, roughly 11, 12 years.
Maybe 13.
13 years, yes.
You're not a mathematician?
No, I'm not.
All right, I ask,
Excuse me one second. Battery's out, Judge. You say so. I could actually hear him.
You okay?
can you hear?
Can you hear? Can y'all hear? All right, if y'all hear. That's what. If I can hear, Mr. Hill can hear. All right, y'all go ahead.
That's the benchmark.
I'm benchmarking. I can hear everybody in the courtroom in here.
Tony, you were involved in an investigation that occurred in November 2023, correct?
That's correct.
How did y'all get involved in this investigation?
I got involved with the search warrant of a residence linked to this investigation.
May I approach you, Honor?
You may.
I'm going to show you what's been accepted into evidence. States 43 and States 44. Like you got a lot of stuff on your thing. Pay attention to the first exhibit. Just read that over and tell the jury what that is.
This is the search warrant, excuse me, this is the search warrant for the residence at 5817 Charlie Taylor Drive in Sugar Grove, Virginia.
And Sugar Grove is where?
Located in Smith County.
Smith County. And why did you obtain a search warrant for that residence?
This was the current residence of Mr. Spence and his wife, Karen.
At that time?
Yes, sir.
In November 30th of 2023?
Yes, sir.
Officer Johnson took us through that y'all went there. I don't know if you were involved in that, and got Mrs. Spence and came back a second time.
I was not involved in that.
Were you involved in the executing the search warrant?
I was.
You were there. Who were you there with?
Sergeant Johnson, Sergeant Dusty King, and Sergeant Carol Smith.
All from Smith County?
Yes, sir.
And typically, an inventory is taken of items that were seized in the search.
It is.
Correct? Did you attach an inventory sheet to your search warrant?
We did.
And that's filled out when you get back to the office?
Yes, sir. We fill it out roughly on scene, but the final copy's made at the office.
And you take pictures at the scene?
Yes, sir.
Could you just, there weren't not that many items taken from the home, were there?
There were not.
Of note, what was taken?
The whole, you want me to read it?
Well, just, you can read through it. It's not that much.
Okay, it's $179 cash, $570 cash, a partial box of 12-gauge number 4-shot ammunition, a Tommy Hilfiger extra large blue winter jacket found wrapped around a shotgun, the 12-gauge pump shotgun, and 6 shotgun shells.
I'd ask you to look through these pictures that have been marked as States 44. Ask you if you recognize, just flip through them, tell me if those accurately represent the Photographs taken on the scene on 11/30 of 2023.
Yes, sir. These are the photographs taken at the scene.
Now, directing your attention to this photograph. What does that show?
This shows the shotgun after it was unwrapped from the blue jacket, in the condition that we found it in, containing one live round, one live shotgun shell.
And you found that underneath the bed in what room?
The master bedroom of the residence.
And again, who lived there?
Karen Spence and Jeff Spence.
And I believe Miss Spence was asked if there were any guns on the premises. Were you there when that was asked?
Yes, sir.
And Miss Spence, Karen Spence, was asked if there were any guns in the residence, and she said no. Is that right?
That's correct.
So you conducted your search. Did you search every room in the house?
We did.
Search under furniture, et cetera, et cetera?
Yes, sir.
Were you looking for anything in particular?
Based on the circumstances of the case, we were looking for any kind of precious metals, cash, weapons, firearms.
Did you find any precious metals?
No, not at the residence, no.
And small amount of cash?
Yes, sir.
And I believe there was a U-Haul parked to the side of the house?
There was.
And there was nothing in the cargo part of the U-Haul?
No, sir, it was empty.
All right. Now, you said that you found a box of shotgun shells and you found 6 shotgun shells. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
How did you obtain those? Were those discharged from the gun?
These were inside the shotgun.
Inside the shotgun, so you yourself discharged them?
I did.
Was it a pump?
It was.
So you discharged those shells, and there's 6 shells. I believe there's 3 greens and 3 reds.
Reds.
All right. Are any of those buckshot?
The 3 reds are labeled 00 buck, which is what we call double aught buckshot.
All right. And the other 3 are the number 4?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you want to pull the gun? While we're waiting, I'm going to show you another picture. Tell the jury what that represents.
This is the end of the gun barrel of the shotgun.
And what does it appear to have in the end of the gun?
Rust and dirt,
Was that on anywhere else in the gun? Just on the...
just on the barrel.
All right, we're going to pull out Exhibit 26. 25.
When you open the 26, what's supposed to be the shotgun, take it outside in the hallway there and double check it. Double check it for not being loaded anyway.
Render it safe.
Render it safe.
Yes, sir. Would you like me to open it outside and bring it back
Please do,
in?
anyway.
Okay.
Better safe than sorry. Or point it yonder way, one.
Has that been invented here? Can we say that?
Any objection, 25 and 26 been admitted? That's the shotgun and the jacket. All right, 25 and 26 will be admitted.
You have rendered that safe,
Yes, sir. Action's open.
and that is the shotgun that was underneath the bed at the house on Charlie Taylor Drive,
It is?
unloaded,
Yes, sir.
and still has a little dirt at the end.
It does.
That's fine, you can put her back in. And then in the other box, if you could open that, I don't think we need to render that safe. Yes. There you go. In the, I don't know. Okay. Might be in this box. The shield's in the box. Is it shotgun box? Okay. That appears to be a Tommy Hilfiger coat.
Yes, sir.
And is that the coat that the gun was wrapped up in?
It is.
Underneath the bed?
Yes, sir.
Could you, are we admitted on those?
Those have been admitted.
Thank you.
25, 26 have been admitted.
So that would be a fair statement. That's the house, the search of the house was your main role in this investigation?
Yes, sir.
Now, were you aware of Mr. Spence's purported interest in gold, silver, and collectible coins?
Yes, sir.
Is that something you do personally?
I have, yes.
Do you still actively do that?
I do occasionally, yes.
Do you have a network of people you deal with?
I do.
And did you, when you learned of this purported interest that he had, Mr. Spence, did you investigate in the area that you deal to see if he'd been dealing in that area?
I did.
And what did you find?
I checked with everybody I know that pawn shops, local brokers, precious metal dealers to see if he had sold any items in our area, and then I couldn't find that he had sold anything.
It was not known?
No, sir.
Were you familiar with some of the money that was taken, seized at the arrest, and some of the bank boxes was wrapped in aluminum foil?
Yes, sir.
Based on your personal knowledge as a policeman for law enforcement for a long time, what is the purpose of that? Wrapping money in aluminum foil.
If, from what I've seen, if someone wants to bury money, then the aluminum foil is an easy way to go back with a metal detector and find it at a later time.
Would it also protect it somewhat?
I think the protection value is not as valuable as the return, being able to find it again.
Okay. Tender the witness, Your Honor.
Cross-examination.
Good afternoon, sir.
You say you visited certain spots to inquire about Mr. Spence selling coins?
Yes, sir.
Selling.
Yes, sir.
And those communities would be in South Lake.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what they are.
We had a pawn shop in our area at the time. It was Broad Street Pawn.
Say again?
Broad Street Pawn
Broad Street Pawn.
was located in our area
And where?
in Marion, Virginia.
In Marion?
Yes, sir. We have a Skyland Coin and Jewelry. They're precious metal dealers out of Bristol, Virginia.
Okay, which is just south of Abingdon and Marion.
Yes, sir, right on the Tennessee line.
Yes, right across from Bristol, Tennessee.
Yes, sir. There is a Gardner's Pawn Shop in the town of Whitfield, Virginia, which is about 30 miles north of us.
Okay.
And in that same town is a 101st Street Pawn in the same town of Whitfield.
Are those the only places you went? The ones that you just-
Yes, sir. That's my network that I usually deal with.
That's where you deal.
Yes, sir.
In precious metals.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And when you were going to places where you deal, you were asking about Mr. Spence selling, right?
Yes, sir.
You didn't ask about him buying.
No, sir. They probably wouldn't keep record of that.
They would keep records of them buying, but not them selling again.
That's correct.
So if he'd gone to all these places that you just mentioned, buying precious metals, you couldn't tell us.
I could not. No, sir.
Hope you enjoy your stay in Mississippi.
Thank you. It's nice.
All right, redirect.
No, you're right.
All right, Ms. Whitney, if you find excused.
They may be on their way.
Thank you, sir.
Safe travels back to Virginia.
Thank
Okay,
you.
thanks for being here. Everybody good on the jury? Who'd state call us as next witness?
Caitlyn Spence.
Caitlyn Spence. Somebody get Miss Spence. If y'all would approach Mr. Hill.